Fresh new episode 35. Wow, amazing. So, well, let's get started. Focusing on the curing work of the replastering which was done. Now, moving ahead, the beam edge plaster for this area was pending, so which is the task for the day. Patch plaster has been cured. This area where the slab has we had re-strengthened the slab, so you might see it is one more coat which was pending, was also like that also got completed today. Now the beam plaster which I was talking about, I'll be showing you that. So this is how the edge plastering is done, so that we have a proper edges which gives a good finish for the tiling and the other process as well. Now moving ahead, the curing work is going on. In the window area, tomorrow's video, maybe you might see the old brickwork which I'll be removing and clearing it off, so that a fresh new brickwork would be done to ensure a proper and smooth surface. That is a task for tomorrow, so probably by tomorrow you will be seeing that. Now in the common bathroom area, this wall was completely plastered. Now today what you see is the electrical conduiting work is going on. There was a comment to show the inner edge of the same wall. So this is the ledge wall which I already covered yesterday, and this is the inner edge. Yes. So Sakshi, you can see the finishing of this part. Yeah, Sakshi was the viewer who had requested for that. So this was a special one for Sakshi. Yes, in the common bedroom, the ceiling plaster and the side plaster of the walls, the window wall. The next week onwards, you'll be seeing major work happening in all the rooms because my tiles have been ordered. So yes, that's the next step: tiles, window framing. So extensive civil work will be carried out from the next work, because now the curing process is almost completed. So we are all set to start the further steps. Now we are in the master bedroom. The plastering has completely, the replaster has completely set. All the edge finishing, everything was done. Yesterday's video I had shown you the base waterproofing for this balcony. So we have kept it for curing. Today in the bathroom, what you see here, this ledge wall, above the ledge wall we have two niche. So the making of the niche work is going on. Yes, I'll be making a proper video on the niche wall as well. But for now, just to understand the progress of the work, what you see here is the niche work which is happening above the ledge wall, and subsequently the plastering finishing of this ledge wall below also would be done. Thank you once again, guys, for being with me in this journey. Do like, comment, and share. Thank you.